So I'm actually going to be showing you guys two different methods on today's video on how to get your 1000 subscribers, and it is totally for free. Easy, fast, and free. But before we get started, if you are new here, my name is Ricky Rich, and on this channel I teach tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. I teach new YouTubers on how to understand the streets of YouTube, how to navigate YouTube. If you want a one-on-one coaching with me, follow the link pinned in my comment section. You're actually going to get directed to my private DM. And if you want me to monetize your channel myself from scratch, also follow the link and say option A. So yeah, that's it, and let us get started. What we're actually going to do in the first step of the first method is to come over to TikTok. Okay, if you don't have TikTok, you can make use of Instagram. Okay, so what you want to do is to search for trendy funny videos. Okay, just search for on your TikTok or your Instagram. Just search for trendy funny videos. Okay, let me just search for that. Okay, as you can see, these are the videos. This is based on my location. So based on your location, it can bring out any video, like any type of video. So what I'm actually going to do is let's see this first one. Okay, this was posted like 2 weeks ago, and it's, as you can see, it had a lot of views. So this video itself is even funny. So what I'm actually going to do is, you want to start screen recording. Click on your screen record, then use your two fingers, these two fingers, do it to pinch your screen. When you pinch your screen, it will start screen recording without the watermark and, you know, all the write-up. this video is even funny. So when you are done screen recording, just stop the screen record and look at the title. Okay, let me just screenshot the title. So when you are done doing that, then you want to click on the page. For example, this is where I got the video from, so I'm just going to click on the name of the channel. Okay, so as you can see, the channel has a lot of similar funny videos. Okay, so this one has 239,000 views, this one has 5.9 million views, 2.9 million views, and so on and so forth. So in case you saw a video that you like, then what you want to do is to go to their page, because you're actually going to be getting lots of videos from the page. Okay, so go to their page and, you know, start taking the video one by one. For example, oh my god. Okay, don't let me distract myself. So yeah, just go to their page, then you start taking videos from their page. Just note any page down. Okay, now we already have idea of what the title is going to look like. I screenshotted that one, so don't forget to screenshot the title. The next thing you want to do is to come over to your phone. Let me see if this is still recording. Okay, perfect, still recording. So you want to come to your phone because it is saved under your phone. If I'm using iOS, so if you're using iOS, then this is actually going to be more easier for you. If you're using Android, so just go and edit, the screen recording out. You are seeing what I am doing. Edit the screen recording out. Edit it out. Okay. Edit it out. Okay, good. Then I'm just going to click on save video. Now this is the edited version. I have edited it out, as you can see. The next thing you want to do, because we are not wasting any time on today's video, just going straight to the point, then you want to go back to your YouTube. Not YouTube Studio, but YouTube itself. Okay, when you come over to YouTube, just click on the plus icon as if you want to upload a new video. Then you want to click on the short option. Okay, after clicking on the short option, you want to click on the picture, bring it out. This is it. I have brought it out. As you can see, no sound yet, right? Then I'm just going to click on done. Done. I did not add sound to my own. Then you want to click on add sound. You can make use of the sound that comes with the video. Okay, and if you don't want to do that, just make use of any trendy sound. Okay, so this is the sound that was recommended to me by YouTube, and if we are familiar with this sound, we know that it is currently trending. So I'm just going to click on that. So yours can be another thing. It depends on your algorithm. So this was actually recommended to me by, let me click on. Okay, I like it. So you just want to write something like subscribe for more. Then I clicked on next. Now this is where you want to add your details. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is, you see this audience, make sure that it is set to no, it is not made for kids. And your location, you can put your own location, but if you want it to like reach more audience, then you can just leave it. Then click on the pencil icon. Okay, I think I like this as the thumbnail. Then caption your shots. The title that you screen recorded, let me go and check mine. This is what I screen recorded. My dog helps me with kitchen. My dog helps me with kitchen chores. So you can make use of any title that you like. So you want to make your hashtag like correlate with the message you are trying to pass across. Don't forget, the purpose of this is for once this starts getting views, because trendy videos tend to have more views. So once they start getting your views, the purpose is to get your subscribers. Don't forget, stick to the plan. Okay, the purpose is for your subscribers, not just to post something funny. Okay, now here we go. I'm just going to click on upload shorts. So my short is currently uploading. Let me click on the pencil icon and click on edit. When you click on edit, come to tags. Write funny shorts, YouTube shorts, viral, funny video, and so on and so forth. So you want to click on save when you've written the tags. So as you can see, my video is actually out there to the public. Let me just click on like. Okay, so when this video starts getting the views, you will start getting subscribers, and I've already written subscribe for more. So after you've gotten your subscribers, private or delete the video. Let me stop my screen recording. After you've gotten your subscribers, private the video or delete the videos. Now mind you, you have to like post these videos like up to 3-4 times in a day. Okay, since it's free, so you don't have to like come and sit down and start creating videos yourself. So yes, I wish you good luck on that. And if you have any question based on this first method, please do let me know. Now moving on to the second method, saving the best for the last. Let me start my screen recording once more. Okay, I was actually saving the best for the last, which is the second method I want to talk on this video. I want to touch on this video, which is actually have a free group where you can get your subscribers for totally free, where you can get YouTube subscribers organic, everything organic. So if you want to join that group, just follow the link and just message me option B to join the group. If you want coaching, message me option A. Okay, so let me just show you what this group is all about. Okay, so this is what my group actually look like. As you can see, this how to get free subscribers to join me. So we have more than 100 people in this group currently. YouTubers are there, so it is just like you. So it is just like you having a community of like-minded YouTubers, new YouTubers, small YouTubers, big YouTubers that are trying to grow their channel, and there are lots of extra benefits aside getting your subscribers. So but only intentional people only. If you know that you are not intentional, please don't slide in my DM. So yeah, that is it on today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.